Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladitech. Today I'll be showing you how to add Discord link to your TikTok app or TikTok account. So in front of me, this is my Discord app. So what I have to do is this. I have to tap on add a friend. Then now it takes me to this place. I tap on copy link. When I tap on copy link, I will copy the link. The link has been copied. Then now I have to go to my TikTok app. So this is my TikTok account. In my TikTok account now, I will tap on profile. I have to tap on profile. So when I tap on profile, I tap edit profile. Then now in the website, I'll add the link. If I add it to my bio, it's not going to be clickable. Like I have access to the website through my bio, but through my website, it's going to be clickable. I press on it steady, then I paste and then tap on save. After pasting, save. So guys, that is it on how to add your Discord link to your TikTok account. But in case you did not see your website, you can go to your TikTok account. If you not see your website, this is what you have to do. Or go back. Then when you go back, you tap on the profile. You tap on the profile. Then tap on settings and privacy. Tap on accounts. Then now mine is on business account. You can switch it to account. But sometimes in personal account we don't see our website there. Some TikTok accounts, but this one has already. So you can see that my website is there, even in personal website on personal account. So if yours don't have, you can switch it to your business. Paste the link that you copied from your Discord account. So guys, that is it on how to how to add your Discord link to your TikTok. It was helpful. Please do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to leave your thumbs up so that you always get notified anytime I upload a new. Thank you.